Welcome back everyone to another video. Predict which of the following bonds will be longer and which will be stronger. Carbon-fluorine bond or carbon-bromine bond. Immediately we notice that the two bonds are bonds between carbon and halogen. The two halogens that we are comparing are fluorine and bromine. Because fluorine and bromine are both bonded to the same carbon atom, we are just interested in the properties of fluorine and bromine. First of all, fluorine and bromine, they're both located in the group 7a of the periodic table. They're both halogens. Going down the group, we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Let's recall that whenever we go down the group, the atomic radius increases, and therefore we can conclude that the atomic radius of bromine must be greater than the atomic radius of fluorine, because bromine is below fluorine in the periodic table. And of course, the bigger the atom, the longer the bond length it will make if the two atoms that we're comparing are bonded to exactly the same atom. And this is the case because we're considering the same carbon atom that is bonded to each of the two halogens. Therefore, the longer bond will be the carbon-bromine bond, due to the fact that bromine is larger than fluorine. Now, thinking about the bond strength, we can consider the Coulomb's law and its energy expression. The bond dissociation energy E is equal to the Boltzmann constant K multiplied by the magnitude of the first interacting charge multiplied by the magnitude of the second interacting charge divided by the distance r between the two interacting charges. Because we're looking for a stronger bond, and because energy is inversely proportional to distance, we can say that a stronger bond, which will correspond to a higher bond dissociation energy, must have a lower distance between the two charges. Or, simply speaking, a shorter bond. Based on our previous answer, if the longer bond is CBr, then the shorter bond, which is also the stronger bond, will be carbon-fluorine bond. Well done. So let's review our findings. The longer bond is the carbon-bromine bond because the atomic radius of bromine is greater than the atomic radius of fluorine. But the stronger bond is the carbon-fluorine bond, since it is a shorter bond. And the shorter the bond, the stronger the attraction force between the two interacting charges based on the Coulomb's law, which supports our idea. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.